Hi, today we're going to take down unboxing review look at Vivitar's Bluetooth speaker with voice assist. Now this is in the blue coloring. Don't know if they had any other colorings. You know, like if there was a red one or a black one or a green one or a purple one or whatever. I don't know. I bought this over at Target, so yeah. Last one that they had, so don't know if there was any other colors there. You can see it's a Vivitar one. How much? $10. So not that bad price wise. Now it says that it has voice assist and come on. Features: rechargeable battery, high quality sound, Bluetooth music, lightweight and portable. And it says Siri and Hey Google voice assist. So it has a carrying strap for iPhone and
here's the top search result.
Okay, my phone just talked to me. And Android compatible, rechargeable battery. Contains Bluetooth speaker, USB charging cable, user manual, 1-year warranty. And what's kind of cool, for details, you can visit shaker.com/warranty, or you could just call up this warranty client number. So yeah, let's get it open up and see what it looks like. So right off the bat, on top you have all your cables and stuff. Then here's that, and our user manual. Nothing else in the box. So let's see what our manual looks like. And just one of those unfoldable ones. So it tells you like the front view, on off switch, microphone, mode, Bluetooth, Nest trap, volume up, play, pause, answer, previous trap, volume down, rear view, the auxiliary port, LED indicator light, charging port, but the color is green when you're charging, you know. Red means charging, off means it's completely charged. You can charge it for your computer, for a little charging block, whatever, you know. And on the other side, you just kind of touch a little bit more, like slide the switch on to turn it on, pairing, how to pair it up and stuff, using your speaker, listen to music, using the phone function, using Siri, Google Voice Assist function, press and hold the mode button, which is M to activate it. As you keep holding the mode button down, talk directly to the speaker, asking a question or giving a comment. The results may then release the button. So, pretty simple stuff. So here's the cable. If your device does not have Bluetooth, like for example, if you're using like a very old school iPod, then you know has to have the Siri port cable installed, then yeah, you can just jab one of these cables in. But if you got like anything with Bluetooth, then you really don't need this. You just need the charging cable. But it is nice that it does feature the plug and play. So put it in there, and let me grab this and put it in like that. So is that reason why I'm not playing it, because there's a lot of songs in here that would be copyrighted if I did play it. Plus, I think this is dead. I gotta charge it up. So there's that. But I mean, if I had something on my own, you know, YouTube playlist, then yeah, I don't think YouTube could give me a copyright strike on my own playlist. Because that would be dumb and stupid. So here's the cable. Not that long of a charging cable. Now it is a mini type B cable. So the same type of charging cable that you use for your Android phone or for your PS4. So no, it does not have the lightning cable. It just has, the standard cable that you can get pretty much anywhere at, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, Dollar Store, CVS, Myers, anywhere. What does the speaker look like? Kind of has this fabric tester on there that's kind of heavy and fit. Has this rubber silicone type of tester up there. Down there it says Vivitar. And then here's the charging port to charge up. It looks like there's microphones on both sides. Here's, the play, rewind, the fast forward type of tracks. There's the play, pause, speaker, on off switch. And it's really easy to pair with, your phone. I'm not going to show you the pairing because I already paired it, but let's see if I have Bluetooth on. Bluetooth on. And it would be under, I believe, wireless speaker. Maybe Bluetooth adapter. But I'm pretty sure it's under wireless speaker. It was real simple and easy to pair this. I mean, compared to anything else that I had to pair, like these generic AirPods, these were like the hardest thing to pair with the phone. The little other thing I have from Vivitar, it's a little Bluetooth thing. A little bit hard, but not as hard as this, and this super duper easy. Let's turn it on, and you will get turn on confirmation noise sound. So after you hear that boop boop boop, and then you hear that da-doom, it's on. The light is flashing. We are completely paired. So let me turn it off. And there is no sound when you turn it off. But I have noticed if you let this sit inactive like about maybe 5 to 7 minutes, it will automatically power off. Then you gotta, take the switch, turn it off, and then return it back on again. So if you have this, let's say you're watching something on YouTube or Netflix, and then you go to, like, let's say answer a door or sign for a package or something, it will turn off on you. So do be aware of that. So let's go to a video and let's just play one. Hi, today we're going to be opening up Spin Masters Bakugan Battle Planet. So that's how loud my phone is. Now if we pair it with this, it is paired. I just got the little Bluetooth pair symbol. And what's cool is I can also see the battery life of how much power is left on here. Let's turn it up. So each plus turns the volume up a bit. That's the highest limit. All this. Now here's what's funny is they said that you can get the Bakugan Bell Planet app on So it does have that. Now let's hit the little M button and try using the Hey Google. I don't really want to say it because my phone looks like it might do it. So, Hey Google. Oh wow, we got this up. And my phone was listening, so yeah. Just hit the little M button if you want to bring up, your Hey Google or Hey Siri type of thing. Let's try this again. Hey Google, Siri. What? No. Come on. Hey Google, Siri.
Here is some information about Siri.
And as you can hear, that's as loud as this volume goes up on this. Which I do admit is a pretty loud volume on this thing. But yeah. I love this speaker. This is like my best speaker that I ever have. Compared to other speakers that are Bluetooth and wireless, yeah. This one is definitely the best. And then if you have a phone call, you could lay your phone down and you could just hit the little pause play button in the middle here. And you could be talking on the phone. But I had noticed something. After you do talk on the phone, you kind of have to turn it off and turn it back on. So let's say I'm watching something on YouTube, right? I get a phone call. I'm like, okay, I'll push the button. You know, my phone switches over to phone call mode. I can now talk to them on a bitter, speaker mode. Because instead of hitting the speaker bar on my phone, I can now talk directly through this as my speaker. Which is cool because it sounds and we see it. So I can hear the people talking on their phone through here. And they can hear me talking, but instead of me talking on my phone, I can talk directly through here on the speaker. So yeah, that's kind of cool, except when they're done and they hang up or I hang up, guess what? When I go back to watching the video on YouTube, I gotta turn this off, turn it back on, wait for that boop boop boop, and then ding, and then have it repaired again. That's one thing that I don't really like that Vivitar did. But other than that, $10 for Bluetooth wireless speaker that can also be wired and be rechargeable. Not that bad of a price. $10 considering what it does, which is one of the best, and it has one of the loudest speakers that I have ever heard from any speaker company out there. So yeah, Vivitar, you did a fantastic job. Great quality speaker, easy to set up for the